Hey y'all, and good afternoon. Well, I'm coming to you from my porch again on this beautiful fall afternoon, and as you can see behind me, the trees are starting to get so beautiful here in eastern North Carolina. So I have a really exciting plant that I'm going to be planting today that I wanted to share with you. And I've never planted one before, so it's going to be an experiment for me, and it might be an experiment for you too. So let me show you guys what we're going to be planting today. So this is called the Beyond Midnight Bluebeard, and just look how pretty these blue flowers are on this plant. The exciting thing is it's also deer resistant, which is super important for me, and it's also drought tolerant once established. It needs well-drained soil, and it gets about 2 to 2.5 foot tall and about the same in width. So it has a really nice tidy habit to it. And that's kind of what it looks like in the landscape. So I'm very excited to be planting this because I love anything blue in the garden. So we're just going to need a few things for this project. Of course, we're going to want our biotone starter fertilizer, a pair of gloves. I got my Felcos in case I hit any roots, and just a little shovel because this is a very small container, so it won't take much to get it planted in the ground. So let me show you guys where we're going to be planting this. Okay, so we're back at the woodline area of our yard. So this is on the right side of our yard. This is our camellia that we just planted. So that one's going to be tall, about 8 foot, and it's going to have the pretty white flowers with the yellow centers in the fall. And then we have our little false holly over here with their really pretty variegation. And then we have the gardenias. And then we have our white cleome. So we got this mixture of green and white going on. And I think it'd be really pretty if we can have a little blue accent, maybe like right in here. I think that's gonna be really pretty. And it only gets like 2 by 2. So it won't be like competing with the camellia at all. Okay, so here is our Beyond Midnight Bluebeard, and I'm very excited to have this pop of blue over here. You know, it's very hard to find plants that have a blue color and also that's deer resistant and drought tolerant. I think that's going to be awesome. But as you can see, our soil is nice and sandy over here, which will be nice. It's very well draining for this plant. And I think it's going to do well. It'll have sun in the morning and sun in the afternoon. So we'll just keep an eye on it and make sure that it likes being in this new home that we have it here. This came from Great Garden Plants, and it came in packaged so nicely. So when it first arrived, I went ahead and unpackaged it, and I put it on a tray and watered it from the bottom for like 24 to 48 hours and just kind of let it get acclimated to its new home. And then now we're getting it into the ground. So I think it's going to like this new place here, and I think it's going to be a beautiful addition to our garden. Okay, so it's all planted, and I think it's going to look so beautiful over here. So we have this woodline area. We'll have our camellia that'll get like 8 foot tall. Then we'll have our bluebeard over here with a nice blue color to it. And then we'll have this false holly, which is really pretty, just pops against the dark colors of the trees. So this is going to be a nice addition to our garden. I'm like moving around trying to find a good place to put this camera because the sun is starting to go down, and so it's kind of hard with the glares all over my face. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope it gave you some inspiration if you are looking for that blue plant for your garden that's deer resistant, that's drought tolerant, that's just a beautiful plant to look at, then make sure you take a look at this plant because I think you will definitely love it. Also, go and check out greatgardenplants.com. They are still shipping in some of the higher zones like I am in, but they have a beautiful selection that you can go ahead and start adding to your wish list for the spring as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a chance to get in your gardens today. Bye, friends.